Welcome to our video all about the best shampoo for men's hair 2024. If you're looking for a shampoo that will leave your hair looking and feeling its best, you've come to the right place. Our carefully selected range of shampoos is specially formulated to address common hair concerns for men, such as dryness, dandruff, and oily scalps. With powerful ingredients that nourish and strengthen your hair, you can say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to a healthier, more vibrant mane. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's dive in and discover the perfect shampoo for you. Number 6. Simplify your hair care routine with Dove's 2-in-1 Shampoo plus Conditioner. This efficient combination product cleanses and hydrates hair strands, making it easier to comb and style afterwards. Our testers loved how this shampoo lathers and rinses without weighing down their hair. While it's great for effortless maintenance, keep in mind that a 2-in-1 product may not provide the same level of conditioning as a dedicated conditioner. Experience convenience and hydration with Dove's 2-in-1 solution. Number 5. Finding the right shampoo for thinning hair can be tough. Many thickening formulas can leave hair feeling dry and brittle. But Keep's Thickening shampoo is different. It enhances hair volume without sacrificing moisture or health. With the power of saw palmetto, it targets thinning hair caused by androgenetic alopecia. So if you want thicker looking hair without compromising its condition, this shampoo is the perfect choice for you. Number 4. Experience perfectly balanced hydration and cleansing with American Crew's Daily Deep Moisturizing Shampoo. This shampoo leaves your hair soft, clean, and refreshed thanks to its key ingredient, panthenol. Known for drawing moisture into the hair strand, panthenol ensures your hair feels hydrated and healthy. Its rich lather rinses out effortlessly, leaving your hair and scalp revitalized. Plus, enjoy the invigorating citrus mint fragrance for a pleasant shower experience. American Crew delivers the ultimate shampoo for maintaining hydrated and refreshed hair. Still searching for the perfect shampoo for men's hair? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Head and Shoulders. Itchy Scalp Care. Daily Shampoo is a trusted brand in dandruff control. With 1% pyrithione zinc, it effectively reduces dandruff and relieves itching. The formula also includes eucalyptus and mint for an invigorating wash. Not only does it combat dandruff, but it also leaves your scalp refreshed and your hair clean. This shampoo is perfect for those seeking a pleasant shower experience while addressing dandruff issues. Trust Head and Shoulders to keep your scalp healthy and your hair beautiful. Number 2. Simplify your grooming routine with Everyman Jack's 2-in-1 Thickening Shampoo plus Conditioner. This game-changing product combines cleansing and conditioning in one step. With tingling tea tree oil, coconut-derived sulfates, and nourishing ingredients like glycerin and shea butter, it effectively cleans and conditions your hair. What sets it apart is its focus on thickening. The inclusion of soy proteins adds volume and strength to fine or thinning hair. Experience the convenience and results of this shampoo, leaving your hair feeling thicker and more manageable, perfect for the busy modern man. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. John Paul Mitchell Systems Tea Tree Special Shampoo. Experience the quality and effectiveness of Paul Mitchell's Tea Tree Special Shampoo, a favorite among men. This natural shampoo not only deeply cleanses your hair, but also invigorates your scalp, leaving a refreshing and tingling sensation. The secret lies in its unique blend of tea tree oil, peppermint, and lavender extracts. Tea tree oil fights against dandruff and maintains a healthy scalp, while the peppermint adds a revitalizing kick to your shower routine. Lavender provides a soothing aroma, making it the perfect choice for men looking for a deep clean and invigorating shower experience. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best shampoo for men's hair. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which shampoo you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.